So many people say to me that they keep meaning to get around to doing video, but then they don't. So I thought you might like my tip of the day. I know it feels like a complicated thing to do. So lots of things get in the way of you starting doing video, like where do I film, what to say, and a lot of people get hung up on editing and do you use CapCut or DaVinci or Premiere or whatever, but you don't need to edit anything because short video is where it's at in 2025 anyway. So just hit record, share one useful tip or piece of information, stop recording, trim the ends. You don't need an editing app, just literally in your Photos app on your phone, post it. No editing required, just like this one I'm recording now. So you could stop watching me and go and record your own right now. And if you need a hand, you know where I am, just shout.